Students, this is the grammar class of 7th standard. Today we are going to learn one question related with tense. Okay, read the following sentences and write which kind of past tense they belong to. Okay, we want to identify first tense and then we want to write the tense which kind of belong to which kind. We are sleeping till 11 a.m. yesterday morning. In this example, look here. You is a subject where is helping verb and main verb is sleeping. When subject plus where plus VING, that time come in any sentence, that time we can easily say that it is a past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Okay, you will understand according to formula or according to structure it is past continuous tense. Then next, I had seen this movie at this premiere show. Okay, look here. I had seen yes plus had plus V3, that shows the past perfect tense. So you can easily write this sentence the kind past perfect tense. Now the next example. Okay, dear students, look here. By mistake in your book there is one word am. You want to cross this word. Okay, and next word is now. You want to cross this one. Okay. I was leaving for the office. In this example, according to helping verb or VING, we can easily say that it was past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Look here, because if we write here am, it is not belong to past tense, and our question is read the following sentence and which kind of past tense, so that here should be come was. Remember this. Okay, past continuous tense. Then next example, Richard stood at the bus stop for 35 minutes before the bus arrived. In this example, Richard is subject and stood is a verb second form. When yes plus P2 come together, that time we can say that it is a simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay? I hope you will understand. Okay? The fifth example. Did you finish reading the Hercules tales that you borrow from me? Look here. Tales and tales. Tales means story. Remember this. And this tales means song. It is verb. Okay? Tales, it is verb and it is one noun like this. Tales means story. T-A-L-E-S. Tales. Okay? Hercules story. That means tales means story. Okay? Now look here. We want to write the kind of past tense. Did you finish reading the Hercules tales? Look here, reading is a come as an object. Remember this. This one is also important. Okay. In this example, the main verb is finish. Okay. Verb for the first form. But in this example, we use here did. When we use did in any sentence, that time we use verb for first form, and that shows the simple past tense. We can write this. Okay. Simple past tense. Why we write this simple past tense? Because when we use did plus V1, remember this, did plus V1, that shows the simple past tense. Now the next example, my brother Billy, it is one name, Billy, left his lunch behind and ran away. In this example, left is main verb and that is second form of the verb, so that we can easily say it is simple past tense. Simple past tense. Next example, the the Magna Carta. The Magna Carta was planned in the 13th century. Look here, it is one passive construction of the simple past tense, because when the was plus V3 come, it shows the passive of simple past tense. Okay, was oblique where plus V3 come, that time it shows the passive voice of simple present tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. I hope that you will understand. Okay. Now the next example. I had admired. Had plus V3, that shows the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Okay. I had admired the grip of lions before I saw the alligator's jaw, and this sentence is past perfect tense. Remember this. Now the next example, your nervousness was showing on the stage. In this example, was plus verb ing, that shows the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. It is also called progressive tense. I already told you that continuous, another word, progressive tense. Past progressive tense you can say also. The last sentence is the mouse plowed its way out for the trap. In this example, yes plus P2, and it is also simple past tense. Simple past tense. I hope that you will understand how to identify the sentence or examples, the kind of past tense, simple past tense, past perfect tense, or past continuous tense. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.